Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. What a beautiful Saturday it is. Saturday I think it's the 10th, I think it is. We're up here in the Western Dales. Yeah, oh look at this, just on time as well. Couldn't pick a better time, could I? All planned. So that is the settle to settle. Yeah, that is the settle to Carlisle Railway. Where were we? That is the settle to Carlisle Railway. That's just come from Carlisle, and that's on its way down. It runs down. Where are we? Garsdale. We're in Garsdale, so that's Garsdale. Garsdale station up there, and that's come from, that's where we're going, that way towards Kirby Stephen in a minute. And yeah, that's what that is. We've been up here before in a video a long time ago that probably nobody ever watched when I first started out. So yeah, so we're going to do a bit of a lane up here. No idea what it's like. I think it's a bit of a tame thing. Well, I hope it is. And we're out on the 790. I'm thinking of selling this, but I don't know. What do you think? I'm thinking of going back to a 690, but I don't know. Is there any? I'll talk to you about something later. But yeah. So if you fancy a bit of Western Dales adventure riding, as they say, stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
Aye. Yes, it's I don't think it's rained now for at least 4, 5, 6, could be nearly 7 weeks. This gearbox on this thing is absolutely crap. So yeah, it's Garsdale Head viaduct, a bit like Ribblesdale, because that goes down through Ribblesdale now, goes that way right round that big thing. There's tunnels and all sorts, I believe. Hopefully we're all right. Yeah, I don't know if anybody's been up in this area, North Yorkshire, Western Dales, as you come through. So if you carry on up that road there, that takes you to Hawes, and we're turning left here, just here, and heading towards Kirby Stephen. I did this road on the GS about a lot of years ago, and when I came back I had an accident, knocked my tail out, and I couldn't remember the whole day. Weird. But all the way along here, people don't come up here. They all go up to Hawes. You get all these viaducts along here, just here. And there's nobody on it. Everybody goes up towards Hawes, and it's police everywhere and stop you from enjoying yourselves. And you've got the chance of seeing a twain. And it's dead scenic. Excuse me. And there's nobody on it. Which is great. know why a lot more people don't come up here, really. Just go. Oh look, another train. Hey, a bit busy today down here, isn't it? Carting a bit of stuff. A bit of aggregate. So yeah, we're going on, was it Lady Bowers Lane or something like that? It's up there. That's it, up there. I'm going to turn off just here. Sure, it's just here. Inside this farmyard, I think. I think it is, isn't it? Is it that way? Must be that way. Yeah, I believe it's a big farm. It is that way. Got past it, so got past it. Didn't really look like a lane, does it? Tell you what I haven't done. Yeah, so Lady Bowler, or something it's called. I think that's something like that. There's some people here somewhere. There we are. Morning. You had no feet shoes. You had no feet on. You had no shoes on. What's all that about? Alright, girls. Oh dear. Go on, girls, that way. There we go. See? Third gear. Go down to shove it in second. And all you get is neutral. What's all that about? Huh? So I've not done this one. Well, there's a few around here I haven't done really. I was going to do this on the run that we did a few weeks ago over in Yorkshire. We only came out of Horse, but we just came past here and just carried on really. We didn't come on here. No, there you go for me, love. A bit rutty. Big rocks about. Loose rocks. That'll be a few loose rocks, don't you? I'm assuming this is what it's like all the way, really. Really think it was going to be a bit like this, but that's the lane that they closed as you come out of it's considerably longer. This just outside Hawes there. It used to come all the way, but it all got taken away. Now entering the largest moorland regeneration scheme for black grouse recovery project in the Pennines. Cool. Close the gate. Don't stray off the path. Chance of werewolves again. Oh, I fell over that. What is this? That's a fair bloody gorge, isn't it? Hellfire! That's a fair bit of... no wonder they've got bloody high walls. Jeez.
If you go right to the top there,
Alright.
you can climb down into the gorge.
Right.
And it's really shallow at the moment.
Yeah, I noticed that. Well, it's not rained for nearly, what, 9 weeks?
Sun, but it's a good time to get down.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Beautiful. There you go, ladies and gents. Get yourself down into the gorge. Like that film on there, on telly, wasn't it? The gorge. Dead people and all sorts down there. Curlew. Breeding. Look at them. Another one there. Fancy coming all the way. Another one. Just don't be. Another one. Curlews everywhere. There's none on the nest on here. Steady, girls, you don't need to run off. Another one there. Look at the views. They're not used to traffic, these girls, are they? Get to some places and no, waste the guy, lasses. Speed up round here. The lambs are doing well. Get a bit of sunshine to bring lambs on. That's all. So what I've done with this camera at the moment, you'd have probably watched by now Gil Garran the lap of well, 2 laps probably, the long one and the short one, and you don't get much sense of of, what's the word I'm looking for? Speed. So what I'm trying today is a bit of an experiment with a bit of ND filter. So I've got an ND filter on this, so hopefully because when it's hyper smooth and everything's running and it's getting in the right light and doing everything, it just looks boring, and it just looks like you're not doing anything because you're not going very fast. But sorry to some people that commented, we are going a little bit fast. Just listen to the noise of the engine, and well, yeah, we'll try something different. I can't remember what this is for. Something, bit of art or something. And yeah, oh, look at this. I don't know what dale this is. It's a. I'll find what the dale is, and I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, what a great time to be out. This is my drug. That. I might be better off drinking beer or taking class A drugs. It might be cheaper, but that's what does it for me. Comment down below what does it for you. Anyway, see you in a bit.
Like and subscribe.